Them goats, we realized, oh, we got them cows, them brown cows, and we got them brown houses. They weren't really brown, they was white with a little bit of brown on it. One of them was mostly black, but he had white from here down, and we called him Mittens. So the problem was that after we got these 100 cows, we didn't say what kind of cows, we just said we want some cows. So we go to milk them, and we look, and they ain't got no udders. We all got winners. We all just got a bunch of male cows.
I put that on Facebook.
So,
she does it every time.
I know, it's like, okay, not
so what was we gonna do with all them GD cows?
Oh my God.
It's so bad.
I'm an old lady. I'm going to heaven no matter what. So, he couldn't put me down in hell. He's nasty, bud. Was it mine?
Oh, it was mine.
So, anywho, you got your little stupid little boyfriend texting you when my boyfriend would have to tie a letter to a rock and throw it 100 miles to my house. He didn't quite make it. So I would have a pigeon fly out and get that rock. By the end of the first month, that pigeon was so strong, he started to peck at my eyeballs. So I took a hammer and I hit that pigeon so hard, the poop came out flying out of that pigeon. I didn't get no more letters from my boyfriend because I didn't have no carrier pigeon. He was dead, you see. So I had to get a small fox. We call him carrier fox. Was you there? So we got carrier foxes, and we would tie, we put little bow ties on them so everybody would know there's carrier foxes so they wouldn't shoot them. I don't know where mine went, but my daddy had a nice fox scarf the next day. And it was peculiar because it had a black bow around the neck. I still didn't get my letters from my boyfriend. So finally, I decided to move out. We had 100 male cows who had all turned gay. And I took my little stick. I put a couple of my bonnets and a little red and white polka dotted handkerchief, and I threw it on my shoulder and I said, "Good day, Daddy." I walked out that door, and 100 miles later, I walked into my boyfriend's house, and what? None other but is he in there with Scarlett. Scarlett the harlot. That's what we call her, because she was Mighty harlot. So,
Mighty harlot.
well, I had left home, and that's my story. That's why all you came to see, because nobody saw Scarlett the harlot after that day.
No, hold on.
Tell me where.
Now.
Alright everybody, welcome to Channel 12 at 12. Today we got some interesting stories for you. I am a no, that's not, somebody messed up my script. So I love jazzercising. If you love jazzercising too, the community center is having a free trial of jazzercising. And the host is very special. The Grinch! Celebrating holiday seasons. We all caught it. the holiday seasons, the Grinch himself, and like it'll show like the big Grinch, it's like this big fuzzy animal. And he's like, you know, like, old ladies are like,
Do the Bernie.
She is. Oh, it
The
messed up her.
Bernie.
It messed up her hair.
Bernie. Bernie at the car.
That's Seth.
so anywho, we're gonna go to Jeff You Betcha for our news.
I'm gonna keep it right here.
Great!
No. Do it right now.
No, that's good.
It's great!
Okay, now.
Thank you, Susie! Thank you, Jeff You Betcha. In other news, we're going to Tater, the news sponsors. We're going to have a sponsor, actually, hold that. I'm getting, apparently, schools are allowed to have gay music teachers now. It's crazy. We're going to go to our live feed straight to Hamilton High School. Here we go.
No problem.
On three, choir. 1, 2, 3. Enough. I cannot stand to hear anymore. What do you think about this, Jeff? I think that it's absolutely insane. Thank you, Susie.
You know that Facebook thing, like,
I know, right? See you after. Anywho. Sorry. Anywho, we're gonna go to our eye doctor for some cancer results. Back to you, Jim Bob.
don't even go on Facebook.
Well, here at the Optimal Doctorate, we have some results, some test results, and looks like we're out of time. Back to Jeff.
Alright, it's Jeff. I'm covering for Susie. She had to leave emergency. So, if you and your kids love to watch the ball games, then you can pick up all your balls and go to the... You can pick up all of your balls and grab your family. And your family to the local YMCA. We're going to go straight live feed from Susie, who that was her emergency. She had to get there because her husband grabbed his balls and went. So we go to Susie. That's right, Jeff. My husband's here with all of his balls.
Oh my.
So he's here with all of his balls, and I brought my family. And we're just tossing the balls around. That's it, really. The YMCA doesn't really do anything that interesting. You gotta pay like $5, but back to you! Thank you. And good night and be safe, everybody.
Do the sound.
Does this make you nervous, Bethany?
Go into
Bernie.
that, and then...
Don't burn it. Oh my god. Oh, my butt's hot.
I got you.
Bernie, I can't.
Bernie, off this side.
Just get in your butt. You're a
She'll watch it later and be like, oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Won't be able to.
I know. That's why I did it.
You didn't want your butt on it.
That's right. So since I'm inappropriate, so we can't do it. You know, stalls.
Oh my god.
Ball sack. Testicles.
Boobsicles. Breasticles. My dad one time he went.
No.
Taylor.
You can see my face is like.
Get her tongue.
Let's open that so you can sleep.
Guys, I have to go to bed.
Bernie at the cup.
Oh my gosh! She does do it, Virginia.
She's turned. Go ahead. I see him change, so it's... You go.
Open my mouth. It's like clicking. It sounds like a tambourine in my mouth because like the piece is like coming off, so when I bite it, it goes down. So it's like.
I'm always scared I'm always